The RXM doesn't necessarily represent a radical departure from convention, but what it is optimized, perfected everything. Now for starters, the interface between human flesh and the gun is absolutely perfect. That all comes from Magpul, so the touch points are right where they should be. The grippy stuff is just grippy enough without being too grippy. The weapon has Glock 19 compatibility, so all the accessories out there, triggers, sights, optical devices, accessories, holsters, all that stuff, anything that'll fit a Glock 19 will fit the RXM. But what really sets it apart is that not only does it come in at a very reasonable price point, but every single aspect of this gun is made as perfectly as humanity can make it. The sights are steel and unkillable. Slide has gripping grooves both fore and aft. The slide is cut to accept a wide variety of optical sights without dedicated mounting plates. Magazine holds 15 rounds from the factory. The gun comes with 2, and the trigger is divine. A handgun this cool deserves the top-end sound suppressor, and this can from Dead Air silencers does not disappoint. This is the new RXD910Ti. And this is a state-of-the-art combat handgun sound suppressor. It's just as good as the industry can create. Now for starters, this thing is 3D printed. It's executed via additive manufacturing out of titanium alloy. And because it's 3D printed, the mad geniuses at Dead Air can incorporate this Triskelion baffle system. That makes for an exceptionally effective sound suppressor in a very small package. The thing is short, it's lightweight, it adds very little bulk and length to the gun. Comes with a Nielsen device or linear inertial decoupler. In my extensive time on the range with this thing, it's not even begin to hiccup. The distal end of the suppressor includes a muzzle brake, and so that minimizes felt recoil. And particularly nowadays, as the big beautiful bill has reduced the transfer tax from $200 to $0, there's just no reason not to put a top-end sound suppressor like this on your favorite defensive handgun. Well, there you have it. That's a quick overview of the Ruger RXM handgun, a collaborative effort between Ruger and Magpul, and tipped with the brand new RXD910Ti, a titanium suppressor rated for anything up to 10mm auto and a bit beyond from Dead Air silencers. This is the absolute state-of-the-art in defensive handgun systems. So I'm Will Dabbs for Hook and Barrel Magazine. As always, I appreciate your time, and you guys have a great day.